I wanted to show you an example now how you find the measures of variation, so range, standard deviation, and variance using StatCrunch. And this is a problem, just a typical problem from your homework assignment, where you can find the standard deviation, variance, and range with some data. So, and a range probably isn't one where you really have to use technology to do it, since you just subtract the highest and lowest values. But you can, if you have a lot of data, like this problem is not really a great example, but maybe if you have like hundreds of data, you don't want to have to dig through and find the highest and lowest values. So you can actually use StatCrunch to do a lot of this for you. So if you click this little pop-out box here, you can actually open up your data in StatCrunch right here. And then after you open your data, you can see it's already populated into the column right here. So now we want to find those three measures of variation using StatCrunch. So we go up here where it says Stat, and then just like when we did the mean, median, and mode, we go to Summary Stats and we do the columns. So we click Columns. Now you do want to pick your column that you're actually working in. So I'm in var1 column, and then down here you can see a little bit further down, you can leave the where and the group by alone, but we want to pick the ones that we want. Now we want to find range for this data set right here, so we'll click range. We also want to pick standard deviation and variance. Now whenever you click another one, you can see like range is now deselected. So if you want to pick multiple at the same time, whenever you click, hold the control button, or if you're on a Mac, hold command, and when you click other ones, now it'll do more. So hold control, click variance, and now you can see I have range, standard deviation, and variance all right here. That's all you really need to pick. There's some other stuff down here you can leave that are optional, but then we hit compute, and you can see now we have our values for those three. And then that's where we'll just enter those into your homework. So you can kind of position your windows however you need to, so you can kind of see everything. Let me make stuff a little bit smaller here. So our range, it was 93, and then our standard deviation was 33 point. Let's see, we want one decimal place, so 33.4, and then our sample variance is a 1117 point. If we're doing one decimal place, 0.9. And there's how you find those values using StatCrunch.